Hello everyone. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority, Government of Assam has issued a revised and consolidated directives today, the 4th of May 2021 on containment of COVID-19 pandemic in supersession of its earlier orders issued on April 30, 2021. The directives are issued upon review of the overall COVID-19 situation in the state by the state level empowered committee chaired by Chief Secretary. Now I am reading out the salient features of the press release. Number 1. All shops and commercial establishments shall shut down at 2 p.m. on all days. Number 2. All offices, both private and government, shall shut down at 2 p.m. on all days. This will not be applicable for organizations rendering essential and emergency services, law enforcement services, and election work. Number 3. No meeting or gathering at any open or closed spaces shall be allowed. Number 4. For marriages, only religious part will be allowed with presence of maximum of 20%. No reception shall be allowed before or after the marriage. Number 5. At all religious places, congregation of not more than 5 persons shall be allowed at any time. Number 6. Total restrictions on movement of persons at public places shall be imposed from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. on all days except for persons engaged in essential and emergency services. Number 7. District magistrates and Commissioner of Police Guwahati will issue orders under CRPC section 144 to the same effect. Number 8. Restaurants, dhabas and other eateries can entertain dine-in guests up to 2 p.m. only. Takeaway including home delivery of food is allowed till 6 p.m. after which only home delivery of food will be allowed. Number 9. Restaurants operating within a hotel or resort can allow outside guests up to 2 p.m. only. However, in-house guests of the hotel or resort may be allowed to dine in up to the usual time of operation. Number 10. Delivery of essential goods through e-commerce may continue with observance of COVID appropriate behavior. Number 11. Cold storages and warehouses may continue after 2 p.m. However, sale counters, showrooms, etc. attached to these warehouses or cold storages shall not operate after 2 p.m. Number 12. Further, the district magistrates will declare an area or a city or district or well-defined parts thereof as containment zones if the test positivity of COVID-19 in such area reaches 10% or more in the last 1 week or bed occupancy either oxygen supported or ICU bed crosses 60%. In the event of declaration of containment zones, the districts have been directed to enforce strict restrictions as per directives issued by Ministry Health and Family Welfare on 25th April 2021. Today's order will continue from 5 a.m. of 5th of May 2021 and will remain in force until further orders. So let's follow the rules and stay safe. Thank you.